People them where they should down for side where they call them say Dabato, they send a big tori from Gomna say me they no forget them for sake say small time now only water for river it go come chop the whole place where they call them say Dabato. This one it happen as way Senator Rebecca Affiong it go help some of the people them where they hear about for sake this palaver where they happen for inside Northwest and Southwest. Now so to go take una enter for Kumba for talk say senior divisional officer Ntu Ndong Shambalen for Meme, he don't give a small help for some vigilante people them where they shidon for Kumba 1, Kumba 2 and Kumba 3. We yes in a help way come out from Ngomna for seme they also continue for lookout security. Chapter from Damba we go talk as we start renam. Now they say the win cup for inside country. They don't turn back. Newspaper, the guidance post and the post we get the info where they did for we before. Big part talk for this afternoon. It tell we person where he carry basket, he know the dance anyhow. I say person where he carry basket, where egg he dey for inside, he know the dance anyhow. Person where he carry basket, where egg he dey inside, he know the dance anyhow. Now Nubiga Austin for Bonaberry Quarter inside Boyam. Now he send we big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back small time. Good afternoon again, country people them. We glad say we don't join head again for this side for Equinox Story House. Chapter for this afternoon, we go start. Now with this story will be talk for now. This boy where they call it say chair, it is done for Cow Street for that side. So for inside the Bamenda, we be talk on top this chapter. As we did so the boy says we according to Tori we enter with EM. He be the dreaming boy for side where they call him say Ghana Street. So for inside Bamenda. Now for they way one time. Motor for near them says it be the camp. The boy is start for run. Last, whether na they near them or na who happen, na only bullets where the boy he take him for his skin. Now so to the boy where they call it a chair, he die one time for that side. So for Cow Street, inside place where they call him say Bamenda. These are 6 feet so they dig and so they be the prepare them. Now for chair where he meet up some kind of water die inside we country, some kind of water die. So for that side for Cow Street, as we people then say the surprise where chair where be come up for house. He no turn back as normal as way he be get for turn back. Just now, I be don't promise you now on top this palaver so we go turn back for on top the chapter. For left people then say they be day time where this thing happen. For talk, waiting where they see him with their own eye. Make we hear this man a talk for we.
Iron helmet, yes. So they did it. Military uniform. You follow it from down here, so that since started here. So we don't come in the morning. Their brother explains that all they believe here. Say that all they stand with the people here. The focal, the other guys, Okada guys, say, "Me come. If you go, they will shoot you." Show some person not run past you. They ask them, say, "That man we see motor run cross you." He say, "No." He say, "No, why you no run?" He say, "Because no be no problem. Switch you, take off now, so climb the backside, go." Three and jump back, follow in and climb the rope. Climb the tar road so now. Now we hear the first gunshot. We should say bullet take it away one climb in. That way could come on up the go forward up on our front of the come meet to the one man stand here. The accent say will kill me for waiting. And they look and chase the take it go na go. I hear a bullet. Bang! I just enter inside locked door. I hear again bullet. It's in a tree. Come on up then go there. Come on out and look away, they go down. He hold his skin so. I hold his shoulder, jack him. Blood come over his neck so. We hold cigar in your hand. I said, the man don't go. Maybe I'm a level where come on, I can stand. They look at people, they know they can't film. If they can call a family can carry it out.
Now one person that's where it be weakness as where the thing happen for Cow Street for that side for Bamenda. Just now, as we be talk for now, we go take on a discover place where they call them say Sangelem. Now one of the places where they under Combo Itindi, he dey now for side for Bakassi country people them. One asabi say Waka for reach for that side for Sangele just now. It no be na easy thing for Seka say road. It no the pass for Seka Palava sabi where they happen. happen for that side, so for northwest and southwest. And on top that chapter, now for Sika Wider Way water, it be now the only way where people then say they work go for any of that side them. For Bakassi side, they go fit for use them. And on top of canoe, whether now the one way get engine or the one way get a paddle, now the one they use them go for that side. And just for Sabi say for waka to on top the high sea, no be na small thing. You go enter for under small coniho them for inside water. Sometimes they may get for waka now with photo inside water before you go meet up land. As well land says for Isangele, as well na Sabi, Isangele says place a quiet. Sabi say people then says they fear. Even as well this palavam, it never over enter for that side. But the people them they cry, they no get water for drink. Even light, they say light in no day, and even hospital too, it used to give them small problem. As well hospital say no day. Now for Sika Wider Way, all this suffer where they suffer, we hear say one of them senator where they call them say Rebecca Afion, he don't turn. He say make he help some of the people them where they dey for inside that side, so for Isangele. Sabi so now I got DOSSF for that side. He be come out for see as we go help this part them. Mami the way they so she done. Sabi say place it is on kind of style, but anyhow the Oga Sama senator he talks say no feel left if people them so for the Sika suffer where they suffer, so he go with them. He go see as way if he help them they beg na beg say make ngomna he come for develop the place where they take them. Sabi say na part of the place that where they give them for Cameroon on top this palava for Bakassi where they fight them with Nigeria. Make we hear with one of the big people them inside that side for Bakassi. He talk for we.
Our Mami Senator for this gift where we don't see him for it our council. One for Jang Mami, sincerely it has been a long time. We never see this type of gifts. On behalf of the entire Ilawato population, they say, Mami, God bless you for what you do for we. And in fact, we was not expect that this sort of thing will reach me for this site. As we ever cry that you take this message to government, small time water they come move Ilawato all. Every day erosion on the job land. Every day erosion on the job land. I want to use this opportunity, send this news for Mami Senator and other elites of Indian. They should cry to government that in 2 years coming, in our subdivision, erosion will wipe it away. I want for.
Yes, just for Sabia so he talk small time now water we go chop the whole place for that side for Idabato. We go waka from Bakassi side, we go now for Isokolo, for Limbe. Sabi say this palava for northwest and southwest for that side, so for Isokolo. Plenty people they dem where they don't run come out for inside their own different side them. For Sika say they hear popcorn where it hala all time. Some of them they dey now for mile 2, other one they dey for mile 4. Someone they don't come out for that side. Inside Isokolo for day we get plenty people them where they so they don't shit on for Isokolo side for Sika this palava for northwest and southwest. And on top that palava too, good people them too. They don't help one the way they feel for help. Make we hear wait to one of them and some of the picking them that where they don't run come up for war place where they just now for inside Isokolo for that side, so for Limbem and Sabi say they did them plenty for all corner for inside Cameroon where they hear hot, and any side where they hear say something it get for come out where they get for give for them, whether na chop, whether na clothes, whether na slippers, all them they ever appear for that side. So it is so now people themselves will go hard where they don't gather all these picking them, mommy them, and even small picking them they know they go school for see where they get for Giam. Now close where they take Giam now around 100 of them where they help them for that side for a Isokolo with clothes and even chop. Make we hear wait away on Etuge Divine, a talk for we for Davidson Maimu.
I realize we'll get people there when they come up from places where this crisis really be risk. They run the company in place and they over plenty, and most of them they not be well off, they be very needy. So we decide to switch humanitarian. We say we'll try for gather team of people for our own community, for welcome them too and for be in solidarity with them. And the thing that we bring with to this thing will start ESO today. We get a data of about 300 people and more. So we decided to take the first phase where we carry about 115 people, while expecting say the other people that with their good heart they will come in, so that we'll continue with a second and possibly a third phase. We count on the solidarity, especially for the elites around the place, may they join hands with we, so that we see the basic needs for these people. Now, true say the one no go for help all their problems, but we hope say this palaver will end soonest, so that they can go back to their various places, live for their normal life just like before the problem.
Yes, we go take una, we go for Kumba site for talk say this so Oga Senior Divisional Officer Ntu Ndong Shambalen. Ebi dey with the vigilante people then we they come up for Kumba 1, Kumba 2, Kumba 3. We hear say na 10 different vigilante group them. We Oga Senior Divisional Officer, ebi meet up them. This one now with the help we he come up from Ngomna. Sabi say Ngomna sesep Oga Nkunkuma. We hear according to Tori we enter we EM. He don't send Okada and some envelope them for the vigilante people them. For say may they take look at the different side the way they work. So for say that one automatic will be get forget a big authority them na Oga SDO says that and Tundong Shambalen we climb on top Okada. They say this Okada them now for help the vigilante committee they don't create them, they don't all bring them for inside Kumba for fight this palaver for insecurity. Sabi say Kumba side no be na only palaver for thief, but we sabi say them too they also get the same chapter where they worry other people them for northwest and southwest this big problem in the whole people them too for that side so for Kumba. So this Okada them and envelope them now when Tundong Shambalen Ikiam for the vigilante people them say this so Ngomna they don't give the help for say maybe they also continue for the lookout population for that side so for inside Akumba. So the senior divisional officer Ntundong Shambalen he don't talk say maybe they use the Okada them fine and the money to where they give for them. We hear say an envelope for 100,000 where they give for the different vigilante committee people them where they did for inside Kumba 1, Kumba 2, Kumba 3. Make we hear wait to one of the vigilante person a talk for we.
Our SDO, but don't always promise we say as long as we work hard and they still to do this thing. So now our hard work we support them too. Now why they provide we this bike to facilitate our smooth running to quarter. And we beg them to say without their security we will not do nothing. So actually need their security for support we while we too will support them. So thank for plenty.
Now vigilante mandat for Kumba will be the talk for this side so for Equinox Tori House. Just now we go enter for chapter for Ndamba for talk say people the way they take up for Cameroon. Now start right now they don't enter back for inside their own town country people them. Sabi say they be fair pass for Douala for show the cup for Oga Governor Samuel Jodeneva Dibois. Then they enter for inside their own town where they call them say Melong. Make we enter for the one yes. Now they told that Manadin we feel also continue for Shoam. Now this palaver for start right now where they so now then they take up for Cameroon and just now they don't enter for inside their own town. Plenty population they become out as a long line in the day for back stadium now where they take up for Cameroon. Plenty people themselves they come up for congratulate. Even power president themselves for stadium now today now supporter than that. Men long town it be hot as the boy the way they go take up the camp. Now they cut that with their own captain themselves where they push on for Oga big man for that side so for inside the melon. Sabi say the boy them they be knock na RS Fab for Yawinde 3-2 for take this cup. Now the first time we start now it take cup for Cameroon and Sabi Sep say this year all cup them whether na League Cup or even na cup for Cameroon or them they go now for Mongo division where now one of the division them inside littoral region. Now me say littoral now be turn up strong inside chapter for Ndamba. Sabi say that cup it be shidon too inside house small as well they be shidon with population for that side so for inside and Konsamba or Melon for say me they see as well population too a glad with the fine work where they do for Sika this cup where they take UMS now them they take League Cup and start now it take this cup plus even man for the the match. Now so Stade Rennais, as we see Stade Rennais now they take the cup. Then man for the match for inside this cup too. Now so Stade Rennais. After we they finish your cup, family photo. Now where they take after family photo, Sabi say the tonton for inside town. So now for inside Konsamba one that cancel where they be shidon for inside for see as where they show cup for big people them too for that side for Konsamba. Even Captain Sesep he be show the cup for a mommy where the old man he glad plenty for Sika say they take cup it last remain a tonton now for inside town for that side so for Konsamba. We go take una just now for say make una enjoy where we Sesep we see the place. Now people them that way they win cup for Cameroon, Stade Rennais for Melon and just so Sabi say will man down batting just now. They don't sabi who they go meet up for number 8 round for this cup for Nations Cup where they happen for Egypt. Sabi say yesterday they be playing not with Benin and Naimi say they go knock Damba with Nigeria for 8 finals where it go happen for Saturday just now. Make it give now the small ambience where man Damba they take enter for fee yesterday. Sabi say the ambience it be then one way will be Sabi say they go knock Benin say 5-0 but the match it last end not. Make we see. Yes, so we will surely take no comment for it Cameroon. That way they be enter for fee. Cameroon that time where they be the enter for fee. Sabi say they go come out for Ismailia just now. Diawaka he go be now for Alexandria. Now for the way they go meet up with in Nigeria for Nat Ndamba for 8 finals. Now so we see Tori for this afternoon. We get newspaper the way they did for we before. Make we take the guidance post where they outside. Inside the guidance post they tell we as we Presbyterian Church wahala just now. It don't the what they go. They tell we say church people then just now they talk say pastor them. They did knock them stick for inside church. It means say they play them 419. Now so to the guidance post they talk say some of the church people them they don't already start make vote for no confidence for some pastor them. Other Tori where consign this wahala for Presbyterian Church for country you fit for read them for the guidance post. You go read Tori too where it consign people them for Donald Trump country where they don't enter for inside Cameroon just now for make their own investigate on top this palaver where they happen for Northwest and Southwest. Prime Minister he be there with them yesterday and so too they tell we parliament people then too they don't make their own small network. This one now for see as where they go help people the way they get a bois for their skin. It means people the way they get small sick them on top their skin. Other to read them, if you for read them for the guardian post we e dey outside this afternoon. Make we enter for the info too. Now some other one too a day for outside inside the info newspaper where e dey outside for this afternoon. Make we enter for info newspaper, country people them. We enter for the info newspaper where they outside this afternoon. Inside the info, church people them chapter for Northwest and Southwest. They ask na BB question. If na international people themselves, they chop plenty on top this palava where they pass for Northwest and Southwest. That one that thing that way they ask them. Now so to inside the same info, you read Tori way concern. Pani John Frunti, they don't levy. Wait till where they be talk for ye and they cannot suffer way be suffer for people that way they be Tiffy for halftime for Bamenda. The info newspaper, he get that Tori for inside. Ekema Patrick Esunge Sesep, mayor for inside Boya. The info talk about it. Palava say waiting, he don't take another feather again. This one na prize for the best mayor for inside Southwest according to the info. We 1,000 put the follower. If you read Tori too, Palava this Northwest and Southwest. The talk where they happen for Switzerland, European Union, United Nations, and even Donald Trump country just now. They talk, say make people them and separatist people them and governor they try for Shidon for make peace on top the palava way they pass for Northwest and Southwest. Now they told them that for this afternoon country people them. Now so we see country. Thank you plenty for Danny Warenze Day. Thank you Varios. Thank you Malis. And even you Nadine. Sabi said tomorrow when in at 8 o'clock I go surely the day for say make we see as we country they happen. If you no see me, now sorted for tomorrow if Papa got the help. Una hold am tight for outside.